Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2007 Honda Rebel 250. This bike has approximately 8,600 miles and is offered for $22.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great little in-town bike, super good gas mileage. This one has a modified exhaust on it, so it's a little louder than the normal Rebel. You'll hear in just a moment, but it's not bad. The previous customer also put some kind of upswept chopper bars on it to kind of give it that chopper effect. Also some nice custom grips on it. Bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check on it, and it's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on the bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.